Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Tower, Clover, and Sun. So Aries, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in this relationship. You are someone who is really confident about your skills and talents, confident about yourself, but the way things are going, the circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you feel some kind of loneliness, isolation today, maybe from this person you love. You feel they are moving away from you for some reason, and you are unable to change the way things are going, guys. Maybe you are working hard, trying hard, maybe to bridge the gap you both have, but whatever it is, you are seeing yourself moving away. Maybe the reason may be the success you are seeing in your career. Maybe you are shouldering a lot of responsibilities in your career and you hardly find time to be with this person you love. So that may be the reason for isolation. You do not have time. And I also see that you are extremely lucky in your work situation, guys, or it may be a very good luck in your relationship. So there are some difficulties you are seeing, and maybe you are coming out of it because of this good luck and prosperity and abundance working in your situation. So you have the talents, you have the efforts on your side, and all your efforts are paying off today in return with that good luck and prosperity, abundance in your situation. So maybe even if you are seeing some difficulties in your career or in your relationship, all that is going to change. You are going to recover from these difficulties and you are going to see positive outcome in your situation. So all that negative things that we were speaking of is going to resolve, and you are going to feel inspiration, positive inspiration, confidence, and you are going to be victorious today, guys. So Aries, things are falling into place and you are going to feel good luck working in your situation, and you will see the end of troubles in your life today, guys. So whatever negative circumstances you have been facing, it is all coming to an end, and that is very soon, guys, Aries, for y'all. So that is what I see, guys, and maybe for some of you, you are even moving towards a deeper commitment or marriage in this relationship. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection, and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, a vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path, or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity, or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided, and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness, so you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.